Hi everyone, I'm Jonathan Mabalacat, and in this video I'm going to show you how will I secure or get an appointment with NBI. I have to apply for something, so I will get an appointment through online because I cannot just go there and fall in line to get my NBI clearance. I need to have an appointment first. We need to get an appointment through online. You know, it took some time for me to get the right website or the right URL. So this will help you lessen your time searching for the right one. So just type clearance.nbi.gov.ph. There you go. See, it's up to you if you want Tagalog or English. So I will go for English. And then, so basahin nyo lang po yan. So you just have to log in on your NBI account. For those who do not have an NBI account yet, we will make another video for that. This time we will proceed. So just put username and password. So we have to sign in. There you go. So this is my NBI account. You can browse everything in here once you get your account. Okay. On the upper right side of your account, there is edit information option, which I already did, so I advise you to do it and check your information. This is very important. You have to make sure that your spelling, the dates of your information is correct, okay, so that you do not have any issues or problem. And the other one is apply for clearance. So my purpose is to get an NBI clearance, so I'm going to click here, apply for clearance. Okay, so if you have paid reference number from this date, okay, you have to click here and then proceed. Type of ID you will present to NBI once you go there. So I present my PRC license ID, and then your ID number. Okay, and then I certify that all information on this form are true and correct, and I understand that any incorrect, false, or misleading statement is punishable by law. Okay, so I agree. Okay, here let us read first. Your registration code or reference number will be provided after you select your payment option. So after the payment, we will have our code. Your reference number shall serve as your gate pass when you enter the NBI clearance processing areas. To avoid inconvenience and long lines, please pay your NBI clearance fee using your reference number at the selected payment option. Okay, so let's close this now. And then we will choose which branch of NBI office. Siyempre, we will choose the one near your place. So as for me, I am here in Pampanga, Mabalacat, so I will choose Osco Clark. This is I think this is a one-stop shop. Okay, so here are the schedules available, the blue colored one. And then what is the date today? Today is 20. So yan, the time is 9:40. So merong PM slots dito. So yeah, I will get my NBI clearance today. So okay, I will choose PM. Yan. So here it is. The multi-purpose clearance is 130 pesos. This is the details of my appointment. Osco Clark. This is in Clark, Pampanga. Clark Freeport Zone, Pampanga. This is a one-stop shop. Now here are the options for the payment. Okay, we have a bank over the counter. There are several here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 options here. So you can just choose whatever you like, whatever convenient for you. And as for me, I will choose GCash. Okay, so the payment, a reminder, once you click proceed to payment, here are the next steps. Okay, take note of this. Okay, a reference number will be generated. And second, use your GCash app in the cell phone, of course. Pay using your reference number or scan QR code. Okay, so let us proceed. Okay, So here is the transaction. These are the details of the appointment. So later, so I will proceed to payment. Alright. So this is now my reference number. So I'm gonna need this one. So let us screenshot this. And I will save it. So you have to screenshot this one, and then for you to be able to use the QR code or to use the reference number, which is the MP9CC0S5S0. And so the NBI is 130 pesos, but the system fee is 30 pesos. So the system fee, which is this website, so the total amount to be paid is 160 pesos. So I will just accept this one. Accept. And now for us to check the transaction we have made just now, just click this transaction here on the upper left corner and click that, and there you have it. All our transactions will be in here. Okay, so it says pending because we have to pay for it first. So let us now proceed to our payment. So get our cell phone and then find your GCash app, open it, yeah, then of course enter your MPIN, then press bills. Okay, bills. So click here and then let us search NBI. So here are the options, so just search NBI. There you go, and then click here and put the amount 160 pesos. There you go. Include or input your reference number correctly. Take note, correctly. Okay, please double check. I will include my contact number, then I will add also my Gmail. Okay, so there you go. Click next, and then no, just pay bill, and then here are the details. Double check. The reference number is very important. So now I will confirm the payment. There you go. Okay, I have made my payment. And then don't forget to make a screenshot of this, and then I always send this screenshot in Messenger. Yeah. Okay, since we have made our payment, we just have to refresh, and then there you go. So it says here paid. So if you find this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel and like this video and share. Okay, God bless everyone. Bye bye.